Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, January 12th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about silver breaking the $86 marker and why it's so important. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, working full-time for myself since 2018, and I enjoy showing others how they can create mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, with all that being said, when I checked the silver price about 25 minutes ago, it was at $86.71 an ounce. All right, so silver continues to go up, and it's going to continue to go up. And I know that my videos sound, like a broken record, but it's important to understand that there's no better time than now to get involved in silver stacking if you haven't already. All right, obviously the last best time was 30 years ago when silver was $15 an ounce or whatever it was, right? That was the best time. But the next best time is right now, because what this means, silver being at $86 an ounce right now means is it's a major level, right? This is signaling the demand. This is showing that the demand for silver is super high, and that's what we've been talking about. It's used in all these new AI data centers that are coming out, all the electrical that's needed for these. Silver is needed, right? Electric vehicles, silver is needed. Solar panels, electric is needed. All of our electronics, silver is needed. The medical field, silver is needed. Water purification systems, silver is needed. Silver is needed so much. The demand for silver is so high that the supply cannot keep up with the demand. Therefore, the price is going through the roof. And people are noticing this, right? People are starting to pay attention to silver. Because, let's face it, most people, they don't think about precious metals when they're thinking about investments. But in the last year, silver is up 169+%. It beats out all other markets, So the physical demand for silver is going up. People are noticing it. People are also noticing that our dollar bill is being devalued more and more every day as the feds continue to print money backed by nothing. Our purchasing power decreases. So people are exchanging their fiat currency, backed by nothing, for something that is tangible and has real value. A hedge against inflation. It protects your purchasing power. Because silver is recognized all over the world. No matter what part of the world you go to, silver is recognized. And it's been used as a currency, a global currency, for thousands of years. And it can't be reproduced. Sure, there's people that go ahead and they make fake silver, but real silver cannot be reproduced. It can only be mined. That's why they call it God's money. So I'm super excited about this because, I'm not a silver expert or anything like that. I'm just learning this myself. I've only been stacking silver for a couple of years now. So I'm learning all this as I go, and I'm just sharing what I learn with you folks. But the people that I listen to who are the experts, they predicted silver would be at $70 an ounce at the end of 2025, and it was. We went up into the 80s. It came back a little bit, because you always have that FOMO that, drives sales up, and then it pulls back a little bit, and then it levels out a little bit. But now we're seeing it go back up again. And the experts that I listen to are, at the end of 2025, they were saying that within the first quarter of 2026, we would see $100 plus silver. And we're on that track. We're on that track. So the short swings, they happen. It's normal. It's normal market fluctuation. There's nothing wrong with it. But the long-term trend is where it's at. And that's what you have to focus on. So, you know, one of my other videos, I talked about buying silver and don't pay too much attention of the market swings. You know, don't buy it based on emotions. Buy it based on the fact that silver is continuing to go up and the fact that silver is in super high demand and the fact that there's only a finite supply of it. So we know that when something is in high demand and there's only a certain amount of it, it drives the price up. So don't get too tied up in the, you know, if it drops back down into the 70s, that's great. Buy more of it. Buy more of it. And if it gets up to 100, you know, just think long term with it. Think long term. Unless you absolutely need to sell it for, you know, an emergency that you need cash or something like that. Otherwise, think long term. Like I'm stacking silver for my future grandchildren. And the simple fact that, you know, for me to know, a peace of mind knowing that if something happens to me, that, you know, Tina will be taken care of, our daughters will be taken care of. You know, they'll have, you know, some silver. And I also do it because, you know, we don't know, we live in crazy times. We don't know what's going to happen to our monetary system. We don't know what's going to happen as far as, you know, anything bad happening in the world. We don't know if the electrical grid is going to go out on us. You know, so it's also good to have on hand in case we ever need it for bartering. So those are the reasons that I stack silver, you know. The number one reason being for my family. But I think long term with it. I don't think like, oh, I'm going to buy, you know, 10 ounces of silver today and I'm going to be rich on it tomorrow. I'm just following the trends, knowing that it's going to continue to go up, knowing that whatever, you know, I'm trading in money that's basically worthless for something that has real value, a tangible asset that I can hold in my hand that has real value. So I'm at the post office now. I'm going to drop off more letters and pick up some things at my P.O. box. But I just wanted to make that video. I was so surprised when I woke up this morning and I checked silver. At first it was 85 and some change, and then I went and checked it, like I said, about maybe a half hour or so now, and it was up to $86.71. So there's no doubt that it'll probably go back down a little bit, but that's, you know, it's just the market adjusting itself. But I really strongly believe we're going to see $100 in this first quarter of 2026. And I strongly believe it's not investment advice or financial advice, but I strongly believe that it's a wise investment to have precious metals at least as a fraction of your investment portfolio, okay? And I just love it. So what I do is I have it set up with a company called QuickSilver that I've been a part of for just over a year now. And they allow you to set up what they call an auto wealth delivery. So I have silver sent to my doorstep every month on autopilot. I don't even have to think about it, right? And then if you want to, you can become a wealth ambassador of the company, and the company will pay you up to 7 different ways for sharing the business and opportunity with other people. So I'm essentially stacking silver for free now because I've referred so many people to this company that I make commissions. And I'm using my commissions to buy more silver, right? So I can't guarantee that you'll make any money if you join me in this, but you can get a free silver bar for signing up, or just for taking a look, excuse me. You can get a free silver bar just for checking us out by visiting freesilverbar.com, all right? Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.